In front of me is ZTE Blade A73 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Start by opening settings and scrolling down to access password and security. Then click on face recognition and enter your current login method. Following that, select Done. Click on this icon next to turn on Rise to Wake to disable or enable this option, and when you're ready, hit Create Now. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now you can manage all of those options, and when you finished, go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!